Hey, what's up? Jessica from Deborah, and today I would like to show you how and what pin submit offers you should promote and which affiliate networks you can locate these offers. So let's go ahead and dive into my computer and I will show you what I got. I want to show you all of the options that I have available for you to select your pin submit offers. So pin submit is going to be a different flow. It's going to be an SMS or a mobile flow where someone receives a message indicating that they need to respond with the number that they were forwarded in order to confirm their account, and then that's when the conversion will be processed. So Big Bang Ads is going to be our mastermind partner where we run these offers on a daily basis, so we know that they're high converting and they have pretty good pin submit offers directly as an advertiser. So we don't have to go through an affiliate network or anything like that. They're the ones who can negotiate the rates, the lenders, everything that you need for your campaign, and work directly with you to make them converting and profitable. So that's exciting. We love teaming up with them. They're always on spot when it comes to helping you guys out who are newcomers and beginners with affiliate marketing. So that's pretty dope. And then we got GetBack. So GetBack, we're teaming up with them again for the mastermind as well. And so I would say, even though they're affiliate network, they are a great affiliate network with very, I'd say, data-driven mobile performance offers that you can take advantage of. And we are excited to show you how to make those profitable too, especially with their custom proprietary tracking platform, where we can take advantage of situations where we may be able to implement the Facebook pixel so we can increase our optimization by leveraging additional tracking options. All right, so those are the mastermind partners. We know that you're covered with these guys because we run these offers on a daily basis. They convert for us and we bring in that money when it comes to running these ads. So how can you get started with pin submits as a beginner? Well, there are some alternative networks that I do want to give to you that you can apply to. If you live in a tier 1 country, it may be easier than if you live in a tier 2 or 3 country, but CPA Lead would be my first suggestion. So they specialize in pin submit, trial, and CC submit offers, but today's conversation again is just pin submits. Those are usually going to be a sweepstake offer, or maybe a survey offer, or a finance bank offer. When you download an app is usually when you're going to get a pin submit, because they're going to be focusing on a mobile flow, because you're going to have to collect the data from the subscriber, have that subscriber receive a notification with the PIN number, and then they have to confirm their account with the PIN they received via text. So the flow is a little different. And then we have ClickDealer. So ClickDealer, you can sign up through Smart Links or CPA networks. Just make sure you do the CPA network because they only have a dating Smart Link. And then you'll want to look into what their pin submit options are there. Max Bounty is going to be the very, very last recommendation that I have. There's probably other better networks out there, especially when it comes to credit card submits. I think you'll have more options when it comes to those, but when it comes to pin submits, Max Bounty did not have a lot. However, I know that a lot of our audience has access to this affiliate network, and if you would like to get started with these type of offers, as this is the content that we will be pushing out in the upcoming weeks, preparing for the mastermind, then you should go ahead and dive into the offers that they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and now show you how we locate these offers. Don't forget to subscribe down below so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos showing you guys how to promote these type of offers, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you get the message whenever we upload these videos, because we do it multiple times a day and it's going to be a little bit tedious to keep up with it if you have a busy schedule, but you definitely don't want to miss out on the content we have coming up. Especially for me, I'm going to be covering a lot of the mastermind stuff, and as far as push notifications go, and for Facebook ads, so you want to stay tuned. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at ClickDealer first. So I usually have to just go for PIN or CC, and I just dive in and I just search there. I don't really filter by country because I like to get a feel for what type of offers I have available for a certain particular geo. Now, you can get this information from your affiliate manager. It's easier. They just put it in a spreadsheet for you. I like to take that spreadsheet and just mark off the offers as I run them and just say, okay, well, I've tried this, it didn't work out. Or I can go on with other suggestions saying, okay, well, this offer performed this way. Can we make it happen on this one so I can split test? And so I'll go over a series of questions that I use with ClickDealer. I am going to interview my affiliate manager. He's going to help us out with getting some content about their platform. We notice that there is not a lot of information about them online, but we use them. We will be using them. And I am going to start testing their offers for push notifications. So that's exciting. Make sure you stay tuned for that. But as far as I mentioned before, when it comes to mobile offers, you're pretty much just going to have an SMS flow. You'll have to apply to this, so I can't show it to you. I'm going to go ahead and apply to it anyway, just see what they say. So I'm going to tell them that we're going to be doing social media, Facebook for this one. And I'm just going to apply to it and see what they do. So Colin's probably going to shoot me a message later telling me that we have an email for a new offer that we can promote. So that's pretty much what your options are. So here you can tell this is one for Temple Run. It's a popular game. So you're probably going to be running more gaming content, more app download content. I would say mobile apps, finance apps in particular. And then gaming will be going head to head and what you're going to be finding. And so if you're really into games, then this is going to be great for you. And then some shopping sprees. This isn't one, is it? No, this is a single opt-in. All right, so some shopping sprees, cut the rope. I play that, so that's a good one. A very popular game. And then you can kind of spread your wings once you tackle Facebook and Instagram. You can go into Google SEO push as well whenever you're ready to get these going. So I would say probably mostly streaming, games, and also what was the last one that I said? And like surveys and finance for app installations, right? So app installations is going to be the main one. Now let's go ahead into CPA Lead, right? Because they are the network that specializes in this stuff. So when you go into their dashboard and when you're ready to look at their offers, you're just going to have to click here. I would say when I was searching, I did not have to filter it down too much because they only have a select few. So you would go to Pin Submits and you would just take a look at what they got. So their country is probably going to be mainly United States. They only have the survey, which is kind of what I expected. So it's something for where you can get your feet wet, like I said. Now with the CPC coming in, cost per click that we are aiming for is usually around 3 cents to 12. So you have to be careful. Make sure that you have your targeting on point if you were to run an offer with that type of payout. But again, payout is something that can always be negotiated with your affiliate network if you are delivering quality traffic. Sorry, I got feedback on my speaker for a second because this cord is giving up. All right, so next is going to be Max Bounty. So as you can see, these networks don't have too many pin submit offers, but they're there. If you find a network that has more app installations, then that's probably like Mobidia. I probably should have looked into them. I'll do that in a second. So here are going to be your pin submit options for Max Bounty. I just narrowed it down by keyword, and here you go. So here, let's just go ahead and pull up. I think this is going to be for, let me sign in again. All right, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to type in pin submit. I'm going to show you guys this offer just so you can get an idea. So if we go in here, completed on phone number submit and SMS verification. So as you can see, it's an iPhone deal. So those are going to be the third popular ones too. And then you can see when they get to the landing page, it's going to be like they're going to get hit with one question. And then they're going to be asked to enter their information so that they can verify their email address or their text message for their phone number. So that's pretty straightforward. All right, so when it comes to Big Bang ads, I kind of did the same thing, but as you can see, I typed in CC submit, and you can see like loan and financing is starting to pop up. So if I put in pen, and if I do that filter, then you get the pen submits, right? So we have Aldi, which is a pretty good offer in Australia when it comes to specific niches. And so the pin submit means that they have to give us their phone number, and then they get an SMS verification. And so whenever you're ready to look at the landers, you can do this without a VPN. And as you can see, the questions are going to be pretty simple when it comes to it's going to be about 3, and then you're going to be redirected to the landing page to enter the offer. And then the person is going to enter their information, including their phone number, and then you have it all good to go. So I got redirected because of the VPN, but that's pretty much how it plays out in a nutshell. But as you can see, they didn't really have too many either, right? So I would say that'll probably change as we approach closer to the mastermind. So if you are going to be running offers with us, you're probably going to get hit with a lot of these survey ones, mainly starting off. Let's take a look at what GetBack has. All right, so if I go into my type, so here are their credit cards. So as you can see, I'll go over them, but there are a bunch of trials, looks like, for soccer stuff. Let me go into pin. Oh wait, not here. I need to do it here. In the title. Alright, so here are going to be your pin submits, right? So you have the telephone, you got something about free spins, you got these, okay, so Aladdin slots. So casino is going to be another one that you can run too, where people have to verify their accounts for their deposits, so that would be a good one. And then you will have, what's this one? I can't look at them because I had to apply for some of them. Let's go to, but I have these CPA ones, right? So let's look at these. So we got Gatorama, Aladdin slots. When you look into your campaign, here you'll get your data, right? And then when you're setting it up, here going to be where you have your assets and things like that. And here is going to be the preview link that you can utilize. And then you would just create the campaign. All right, so we're going to do no, we're not doing contextual. We are going to do social media. And then I would submit that. And then it says, okay, great, your campaign is created. And then we would go to the offer. So you can take a look at what the offer is. So this particular offer should be redirecting us to a casino offer. You would just review the link, make sure your landing pages are loading properly and it's what you expected. I recommend going through the questions. As you can see, I got redirected. So I'll have to turn on my VPN to take a look at that later. But that's pretty much in a nutshell what you can expect when it comes to pin submit.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.